Welcome to Torque Sport.
Making the most of your brake pads.
Huh?
So we thought we'd have a quick look at the Civic and see what was actually wrong with the clutch. Took the inspection plate off. Look at that. Would you say that was part of a friction plate?
Yeah, that is friction plate.
What's left of it? So guys, apologies for there being no intro to the video. It was very hard to get this done during the week whilst I work nights. So you'll see bits of Dad doing things and bits of me doing things and on different days. So yeah, here is basically just us doing the clutch, as you'll see in this time lapse, just initially taking all the bits off to remove the gearbox. It was quite a straightforward process, although we did try to line the clutch up first with no alignment at all and it weren't quite right, so it was a bit of a faff. And to start with as well, I took a clutch off and I realised I ordered the wrong clutch, so I bought a 200mm and it was a 212mm on the D14, or this variant of it anyway. But yeah, so I had to then go back to Euros and wait the next day for that to be delivered, to get another XZE OEM clutch, because I wanted a decent one still, though this engine's probably not going to be in there for all that long. I didn't want it to die after about 4 miles. So yeah, here you can see in the video how fluffy that clutch is. Like, it's generally really bad. Like, that's all the friction disc just burnt to, well, like fibres absolutely everywhere, behind the flywheel, in front of the flywheel, between the clutch plates. Yeah, really weren't great. Don't know if you can pick this up on camera, but yeah, you can tell it's been getting hot because it's all blue in colour at the end. Oh, drop one. And come look at the state of the actual clutch. Oh, what's left of it? A good frisbee that would. Don't know if it picks up very well there, but quality. Again, as you can see here, all of the fibres in the gearbox housing as well. And another reason we probably thought it didn't shift is because the clutch fork spring had actually popped out. It wasn't actually in place. So yeah, multiple reasons why the clutch was non-existent. Yeah, I ended up just drilling these out because the other side didn't come out and I couldn't be bothered to go through the hassle of trying to get it out when it just weren't going to come out. So yeah, I just drilled them out a bit and hit the disc with a hammer at the back to just basically free or knock the heads off. And then in a moment after I clean this up, you'll see that I just got the drill on there with a drill bit and just put it into reverse just to get the thread basically out of the hole cleanly rather than actually having to drill the whole way through it. You kind of see there I've done it a little bit and it just came out enough for me to grab my fingers, and I think the other one actually came out already or went all the way through, so that was fine. But yeah, just a few bits left to do and then reassemble. Note to self, don't forget to put these on.
Yeah, don't flip it on.
Just checking that everything here is tight, and then we just need to bleed the brakes basically, and then we're good to go. after many days of faffing around with this, finally ready to start up to see if it actually works. Yeah, go on then. Ow. Question is though, does it move? Look at that. It has been a great success. So yeah, I just finished editing that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, anything you'd like to see down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that was episode 2. There's plenty more to come, lots of things to do, lots of things to fix. Apologies, this one was a bit rushed and very bitty because we had to do it over various few days. We didn't have all our tools here because they're normally at the garage, but the car didn't drive, so it was at home. So yeah, that was just kind of pieced together with clips that I could get in the time I had around my work and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully there'll be a lot better structured in the future where I can really focus on what exactly is going on and what we're doing. But that was obviously quite a major repair as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye for now.